Hello, good people. This is Mr. James Dickens. You're applying digital marketing where you want to learn, you want to apply, and you want to offer these tools. The Savvy Entrepreneur Digital Kit is available somewhere on this page. And it comes with the book, it comes with a checklist, step by step, going through the book, but it also comes with videos that you can watch and get more understanding about the Savvy Entrepreneur. It also comes with a resource sheet with different tools that you can tap into. And just today, this is what I did. I created an unabridged Audible book. Each one of those files is part of the book itself. And also it comes with 100% profits, resale rights. That means you can sell it, this whole kit, and keep all the profits for yourself. Alright, it comes with the entire book itself, which I turned into an audio book. It comes with a resource sheet, step-by-step, and guides that you can use. It also comes with 11 videos inside of this package by itself, powerful by itself. Okay, now this is what I did. I created over 27 unabridged audios, and this comes with 100% resale rights. You can sell this entire package, amazing good people, and keep all the profits. So this is what I'm doing. So a while ago I started just using these digital projects. You know, that's what if I learn from these tools, I use it, then I sell it, I offer it to other people. That to me was way more powerful than trying to keep selling stuff to folks. Does it work? Is the bottom line. So the only way you know if it works, if you go through it, not a review. You go through the product, pull out information that resonates with you, and put it in play inside your life or towards your business. And after you get good at this, and you will, because once you read something, you get some idea about it, and you go through it, pull out your notes, and put it in play. That's what I'm doing at Resale Rights Supply. So there you have it, people. Somewhere on this page, there's a link to download this project. That's what I'd like you to do. And also, there's an opt-in on this page as well, so you can learn about the product step by step. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Let's go, good people.